Hello friends, welcome to javainstance.com. In this video we are going to see how to create a Hello World application in Android using Android Studio. So let's start. So I have already opened the Android Studio, so now I am going to create a new project. So click on File, New Project. So now in this screen you have to provide the application name. So I'm going to make my application name as my first app. Click on next. Now in this screen you can define your application support. For example, whether your application is going to support the phone or tablet, Android Wear, TV, Android Auto, etc. So by default it's already selected phone and tablet, so I'm going ahead with that. And here you can also define what will be the minimum Android version you are going to support with your application. So although there are multiple options provided by Android Studio starting from the Android Gingerbird, however we are going ahead with the ice cream sandwich because I think this is pretty old, so we cannot go more older than this. So we'll go ahead with the ice cream sandwich. Click on next. In this screen you have to select the activity for your application. So although there are a couple of activities provided by Android which will have some inbuilt functionality, but we are going to create a very simple app, Hello World application, so we don't need those high-end functionalities, so we are going ahead with the empty activity. Click on next button, and in this screen you have to define the activity name for your application. So you can see by default the activity name is provided as main activity. So I think it's okay because our application will have only one activity, so no need to change this name also, and you can click on finish. So you can see that we are creating the Hello World application, the workspace. So now let the Gradle build provided by Android Studio to build an Android application. So yes, I think the Gradle build finished. So now it's time to run our application. So before the running application, you can add your Android virtual device which is emulated to test your application. So let's run this application. And on this screen you can see that I already created the virtual device Nexus 5. Although if you have not created, you can create the new one by clicking on this button. I'm going to use my older AVD, so click on OK to run the application. So you can see it started opening the emulator. Take some. It's first time, so it is taking some time to open our Android application. And you can check the logs here. It's about to load our Hello World application. And yes, cool. So finally we got our first Android application, Hello World. So let's see where it is installed on our emulator. So go to home button. Click on the new option. Switch the apps. And yes, it is here, my first app. Yeah, so this is our first Android application. So you can also export the APK file of this application. You can run it on your Android mobiles. So now you are done with your first Android application. Now it's time to explore more with javainstance.com. Thank you for watching this video.